Hello, and welcome to Setting Up Calendar Plus, Part 3. In this video, we will demonstrate how to customize the calendar. You can rename the Calendar Plus entries table to any name of your choosing. To demonstrate, we will change the table name to Events. Go into Edit fields in the Calendar Plus entries table and change the table name there to Events. Then, enter Edit mode and go to the Calendar Plus settings table. Change the value of Events table name to Events. Now we will demonstrate the customizations that can be made to the fields in the Events table. The calendar application's configuration is determined by the fields that you place in the Calendar Plus entries table. As you add, delete, or modify the fields, check the calendar to see how the changes take effect. There are two types of fields in the calendar: dynamic and static fields. The dynamic fields are marked with a D at the end of the field names. Any of the dynamic fields can be modified in a number of ways. These fields can be renamed, deleted if they are not needed, and any number of new fields of the same type can be added. Of the static fields, some are required and some are not. The required fields are start date, start time, end date, end time, CPE data, and description. Any of the other static fields can be deleted if not needed. As an example, let's say that the calendar will be used to schedule music lessons. Let's rename the choice field to Instructor and enter the instructors in the options. Now, the field has been updated in the calendar, and we have access to a timeline in Unit View where events are categorized by instructor. Now let's add a new choice field called Lesson Room, and enter the lesson room names as options. You can see that now both of the choice fields have been recognized by the calendar. Now, let's rename the rich text to Lesson Plan and delete the text in multiple choice fields since we don't have any use for them in this case. We will also delete the location and attendees fields. Now, all of these changes are reflected in the calendar. Thank you for following the setup guide and enjoy your new Nioxus calendar. For more training resources, follow the link to our training videos below.